Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use artboards in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually come in the left hand panel, click on this artboard tool, and once you click on it, you'll notice there's plus icons next to your existing artboard on each side. And if I click on the plus icon here on the right side, it'll actually create a artboard here, as you can see. And if I click on the one at the bottom, it'll create a new artboard here at the bottom. You can also create artboards of custom dimensions. I can come here and click on this and then just drag out a artboard any custom dimension I want. You can create one anywhere, so I can do one here as well, as you can see, and you can go ahead and resize these at any time. If you want to delete an artboard, you can just come here on the right hand side and just go ahead and right click on any artboard, and then you'll see the delete option. Just go ahead and click on that and it's deleted. You can also do Ctrl+Z to undo anything that you have done. That is another way to go ahead and get rid of your new artboards. But that is how to use artboards in Affinity Studio.